Welcome my family. From this equation to find the value of a and b, then solution. We use two cases. Case 1. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2 is case 1. A square minus b minus b square minus a equal to 11 minus 111 minus 111. A square minus b square plus minus plus a equal to 0. A square minus b square minus plus a minus b equal to 0. Equal to 0. A square minus b square, we want a minus b, the whole a plus b plus a minus b. We take a minus b, a plus b divided minus b give us a plus b. A minus b divide a minus b give us 1 equal to 0. Equal to 0. A minus b equal to 0 or a plus b plus 1 equal to 0. In this equation, a equal to b. In instruction, this is not equal. A not equal to b. From this equation, a plus b equal to minus 1. This is equation 3. Case 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. A square minus b plus b square minus a equal to 111 plus 111. A square minus b plus b square minus a equal to 122. A square plus b square plus minus a minus b equal to 222. A square plus b square equal to 222 plus a plus b. A plus b. A square plus b square equal 222 plus a plus b. From equation 3, a plus b equal to minus 1. Minus 1. A square plus b square equal to 221. This is equation 4. from equation 3, a plus b equal to minus 1. A plus b the whole square equal to minus 1 the whole square. A plus b the whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to minus 1 square give us 1. A square plus b square from equation 4, a square plus b square equal to 221. 221 plus 2ab equal to positive 1. 2ab equal to 1 minus 221. 2ab equal to 220. Divided by 2, divided by 2. 2 cancelled by 2. AB equal to 2, 1 by 2, 1, 1, 0. Here is minus because the largest number minus time. This is equation 5. This is equation 5. A minus b the whole square equal a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2ab a square plus b square from equation 4 give us 221 minus 2 ab means from equation 5 minus 111 equals a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square equal to 221 minus plus 222. 200 this is 0, this is 0. So this is 0. This is 0. Then a minus b the whole square is equal to 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4. Then under root a minus b the whole square equal to under root 441. Is radical by power of a minus b equal to 441 gives 21. Then equation 6. Equation plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus. So a minus b equal to 21 and a minus b equal to minus 21. Here from equation 3 a plus b equal to minus 1 and this a plus b equal to minus plus a plus b and a equal to 2a, and minus b plus b 0 equal to 21 plus minus 1 equal to 20 over 2 is cancelled by this. A equal additive. This then first solution, and a minus b equal 21. A equals 10 minus b equal to 21. Minus b equal 21 minus 10. Minus b equal to 11 over minus. Minus cancelled by minus. B equal to minus 11. This is the first solution. And the second solution, a plus a equal to 2a plus minus b plus b 0 equal to minus 21 plus minus 1 equal to minus 22 over 2 2 cancel 2, a gives minus 11 minus 11 a minus b equal minus 21. A gives minus 11 minus b equal minus 21. Minus b equal to minus 21 plus 11. Minus b equal to minus 10 over minus. This cancelled by this cancelled by this. P equal to 10. So a b equals 10, 11. A from a minus b equal to 21. And a comma b equal to minus 11 positive 10. A from a minus b equal minus 20. Check it. A square minus b equal to 111. Wow. Aiming from equation, this solution 10 square minus b minus 11 equal 111. 100 minus plus 11 equal 111. This gives 111 equal 111. So solution correct. And from a minus b equal negative 21. A square minus b equal 11. Minus 100. whole square minus b main equal to 111. This gives positive 121 minus 10 equals to 111. It gives us 111 equal 111. The left side and right hand side. So please